So here's the kitchen, the Estrada kitchen. This is before. He's already kind of gotten in demolition, but this is a typical, 1960s, 1970s kitchen. Going to demolition it out. We are going to build an island here in the middle. Wall of appliances, the sink and refrigerator, our sink and bar area. So be looking for the after coming soon. So here we are at the Estrada home, and we're just finished doing their kitchen, and they have family and friends over for a nice meal. And so, Stell, tell me, what are you cooking?
I'm cooking some spaghetti on my induction stove.
Nice.
I love it. My water is boiling instantly.
Beautiful, excellent. And here we have some of Stell's friends. And so, Summer, how do you like the kitchen?
The kitchen is beautiful.
So
I love it.
You ready for yours?
I'm ready for mine because it's still original to 1963.
There you go.
I'm ready for sure.
I can help you with that. All right, very good. And here we have Rich. So, Rich, what are you doing? You over here pouring some wine?
Yeah, we have a little Lark Mead 2018
Oh,
for the guests.
Very for the guests. So it's
Not
not
for you,
not
for the guests.
not for the slouch contractor. Just for the guests. Okay, all right. So hopefully I get to get on some of that. And some of my friends over here. So what are we? What are we doing after the meal? Are we playing some cards? Playing a little canasta, right?
I have something to say.
All right. So
I'm
yeah.
married to the contractor and I don't have a new kitchen.
Oh, there you go. There you go. So this is where family and friends come together to enjoy a meal and a nicely done kitchen.